If you are not a member of the Jamaican Canadian Association, do not leave here tonight and don't have your membership.
Jamaica, 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 land we love. My heart is away, lead me to the rock. I want to hear the everybody go, go now. Because Jamaica, the number one spot. As a real touchdown, everybody start clap. Can we figure the beach? Cool down the sun hot. Some coconut jelly, some sweet sour stuff. Can we figure the market? If you cook up a pot, you keep some sitting on the hilltop. Can we figure some fish you like? You come to Jamaica. If you miss it one time, you have to come back. Come and say, that Jamaica is nice. There was an negative vibes. That Jamaica's been nice. Something abroad, great big up and fire. Nice. Jamaica, we have been fire. On a east, we have been fire. All right. Right out the storm. God is still with you. You may not feel it. You're not alone. You're hurting now. But your morning is coming. Just hold on to Jesus. Right down the storm.
From you say life over death. Give me a hand. But now, from you say speedy recovery for everybody affected by Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica. Give me a hand and go so.
In the moments when I'm down, I can face the eye in the storm. If you only see the tender spreading, preaching, you will come to the feast today. So enjoy yourself. It's bigger than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still kicking. There is the light as quickly as you live. Enjoy
One heart, Mr. Lady.